On my last day in Montreal, I had to try poutine at La Banquise 24-hour restaurant. I just ordered the classic poutine, cheese curds and gravy. This is the regular order, $9.95. The larger order is $16.75. Okay, check out my live stream replay of how I enjoyed this poutine at La Banquise. Unfortunately, I couldn't record anymore. My storage was full, so this is all I could get for my food channel. But the gravy was amazing. Everything, the cheese was nice and fresh, and of course I have tried many poutines in Toronto, so this is the first time ever trying poutine here in Montreal, and it was delicious.